to extend my heartfelt gratitude to entire school for felicitating me, and also I would like to extend my best wishes for the school for crossing glorious 25 years of its existence. I was not able to attend the Silver Jubilee program because I had IPSC Viva few days after. But I am very grateful for these institutions because whatever I am today, the foundation of my achievement is imbibed in here. Because the contribution that this institution make to your personality, your discipline is very important for your entire life, especially if you are going for civil service. Because discipline is the key factor in your civil service preparation, discipline and consistency. And the timetable that you follow while you are here is the keystone for inculcating discipline in yourself. And that thing helped me a lot during my preparation. And also the teachers here, especially I don't know about now, but especially when I was studying here, they don't give you notes. They don't give you notes to rote learning. They don't give you notes to memorize. They will explain the concept to you. And that is very important because everyone while going for civil service, they study NCERT first. And we are very selected few that we get to study NCERT from our school years only. And the way their teachers that they explain the topic to you, they always focus that you learn the concept first. That thing helped me that I was able to clear this exam in 3 months preparation only because I had this clear concept that the teachers in my school years taught me. And because of that, I did not have to learn NCERT again because I already learned that in school years only, my school years only. It is the very biggest thing that the school has contributed towards my achievement. So I am very thankful to every single teacher who has taught me. In my achievement today, all of them have equal contributions. So I am very thankful towards them. And I passed out from this school in 2014 as topper of humanities section. And every teachers were so happy for me. They told me that I will be able to achieve something great. I was not a very confident student. I was very introvert and very underconfident student. But my teachers here were more confident in me than myself. They always used to say me that you have so much knowledge. You will do great in civil service and others. But I was never confident enough to do that. But when I started preparing for the exam, I remembered whatever my teacher said, and that gave me very big boost of confidence. So I am very grateful towards them. At last, I would like to give my best wishes for coming New Year. Thank you.